Christopher was flying from Beijing to Delhi with his father. He was keenly observing all the people on the airport. Suddenly, he noted a clock hanging on the wall behind the check-in counter. He got confused as he found himself unable to read the time. Let us help him to read a clock. Have you ever observed the face of a clock? Let's take a closer look. There are 12 numbers written on the face of a clock. These numbers indicate hours. This type of clock is known as an analog clock. A clock or watch is called analog when it has moving hands and hours marked from 1 to 12 to show you the time. Have you ever the short divisions between any two consecutive numbers? Let's count them. There are 4 short divisions between any two consecutive numbers. It means the whole face has been divided into 60 short divisions. The numbers 1 to 12 represent hours. As there are 60 minutes in an hour, these short divisions represent minutes. Let's learn how to read the clock now. Whenever we look at a clock, we locate the hour hand first. So we first have to see the number that the hour hand is pointing to. That is the number we will use to represent the hour. Observe this clock carefully. Its hour hand is at 5 and the minute hand is at 12. So the time is 5 o'clock. Now in this clock, the hour hand is at 7 and minute is at 12. So the time is 7 o'clock. If the minute hand is at 6 and the hour hand is after 3, then we say that the time is 3:30. Or if the hour hand moves to 10, then we say the time is 10:30. If the minute hand is neither on 12 nor on 6, then how do we read time? A clock is divided into 4 parts. Each part is known as quarter. When the minute hand has reached the number 3, it means the first quarter is over. So we can say it is quarter past. Observe the clock now. Here the minute hand is at 3 and the hour hand has just passed 4. So the time is quarter past 4. If the minute hand is on 1, we can say that the time is 4:05 or 5 minutes past 4. Likewise, if the minute hand is on 2, we can say that the time is 4:10 or 10 minutes past 4. When the minute hand has reached 9, it means it has completed 3 quarters. So we can read it as quarter to. The word past refers to the hour that the clock has crossed and to refers to the hour that it is going to complete. Time can be represented in different ways. Consider a clock. The hour hand is after 9 and the minute hand is at 7. In this case, we will multiply 7 by 5 to get minutes. So we can read this time as 9:35 or 35 minutes after 9 or 25 minutes to 10 or 35 minutes past 9. However, it is represented as 9:35. Let's do a quick recap. A clock has an hour hand and a minute hand. When the minutes hand starts from 12 and takes one full circle of the clock and again points at 12, it completes an hour. When the minute's hand starts from 12 and covers quarter of the clock, it points at 3. Then it is called quarter past an hour or 15 minutes past an hour. When the minute's hand starts from 12 and moves half a circle of the clock and points at 6, it is called half past an hour. When the minute's hand is at 9, it is called quarter to an hour or 15 minutes to an hour. Now, visit the embassy and observe the different clocks displaying the timings of different countries.
Class, we show the video from the extra marks and you know about how to take the globe, right? So here we learn about exercise 4.1 to 4.3. So first thing, know about AM and PM. So what is the full form of AM? So AM means anti-meridian and PM means post-meridian, right? But 12 midnight to 12 noon. In which color time here we write that AM and 12 noon to 12 midnight, there we write PM. Right? So exercise 4.1, read the clock. Suppose small hand. So you know very well, small hand show the hour time and big hand show the minute time. Right? Suppose small hand on 12 and big hand on 3. So you know very well, quarter past 12, here we write quarter past 12, and you also write 12 and 15 minutes. Right? Now suppose small hand on 1 and big hand on 4. Right? So you know very well 5, 10, 15, 20. So you write 1 hour and 20 minutes, and also you write 20 minutes past 1, and you write also 1 hour and 20 minutes. Right? Now here give you 5 days. So 1 day is equal to 24 hours. So 5 into 24. So you do multiplication. 5 2s are 20. To carry on 2, right? After simple 25 with the 5 2s are 20. To carry on 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2, 20. So answer is 120 hours. Right? Now suppose we give you 10 days. 10 days and 5 hours. So first we convert day into days into hours, and here hours add in it. So you know very well 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Here give you 10 days again multiplied with the 24. So answer is 240 hours. Right? So 240 hours plus 5 hours. Right? So answer is 245. Right? It is a very easy. Now convert into minute. Minutes. Right? Now here we give 8 hours. And we convert into minutes. So you know very well 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Right? So here do 8 into 60. Right? So 8 6 are 48 and 0 to 8 right side. 480 minutes. Right? Now suppose here we give you 1 week. 1 week. And we convert into minutes. So you know very well 1 week is equal to 7 days. So first we convert days into hours. Right? So 7 multiplied with 24. So you do multiply 24 into 7. 7 is 28. Put 8 here and carry on 2. 7 is 14 plus 2. 16. So 160 hours. Right? Now convert hour into minutes. Right? So you know very well 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here we do 168 multiplied with 60. Right? Now here we do multiplication. So 168 multiplied with 6. 6 8s are 48. 48 on 6 6 is 36 plus 4 40. 48 here on 1 6 another 6 plus 4 10. Now put 1 0 in the right side. So answer is right 10,080 minutes. Clear? Now suppose here we give 7 hours and 50 minutes, and we convert into minutes. So first we convert hour into minutes. So you know very well 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 7 multiplied with 60. 7 6 are 42 and put 0 at the right side. 120 420 minutes. Now 420 minutes plus 50 minutes. So 10 o'clock. Morning. Right? So here we write 10 a.m. Right? And suppose 10 night. So here we write 10 o'clock p.m. Right? Now 5 o'clock evening. So means 12 noon after का टाइम हुआ, राइट? मीन्स के दोपहर के 12 बजे का टाइम, 12 बजे के बाद का टाइम मीन्स शाम का टाइम, राइट? इवनिंग टाइम पे हियर वी राइट 5 o'clock p.m. राइट? नाउ सपोज हियर इज 3 o'clock मॉर्निंग. So you know very well 12 midnight after am वाला टाइम, राइट? So here we write 3 o'clock a.m. So students repeat the video.
Now we will understand remaining exercise in part 2.